going to go this morning and pick up our Pinzgauer. So follow us on the video for the collection. I'm going to do lots and lots of videos about this going forward. But today's just the exciting day of collecting it, and we'll see what it's like when we get it back here, and we'll do a video on what its condition and stuff is then. So we're all hooked up and ready to go, and we'll have a Pinzgauer on here in not very long at all. So we're now just waiting on Gary, who's going to be the co-pilot for the day, and then we can go and pick this up. Sat nav's all set and we're all ready to go.